Alright, what's going on YouTube? Just heading out for the day here. Got an early start today and went and dropped off Chloe at the airport to head back to Ontario. It was a little sad to say bye to her, not gonna lie. I'm gonna go 2 months without seeing her, so. But yeah, it was nice to have her out here for a week. And I guess the real riding's gonna start now. Heading out today with Jason McMurray and a couple other Ontario guys he's with. He told me to drive up the logging road 2K. Hopefully I'm going the right way. Well, we took yesterday off. Don't crucify me. But I did hear it rained pretty much to the top on quite a few mountains yesterday. I heard kind of this area maybe didn't get it though. So hopefully we got no rain crust up here and good snow. Let's gear up. Go find out. I hate gearing up in the parking lot. Jason and his buddies are already up top. He dropped me a pin, so I'm just gonna go up the road and see if I can find them. I think they're the only ones up here, so I should just be able to follow their tracks. Well, we're at the end of the road here. I guess we'll start to follow the tracks. Jason texted me and said you could straighten out the trail a bit, so we'll see how bad it is. How's it going? Yeah, up at like 2,000 meters here. Definitely a little bit of a crust on the snow and then pretty dense underneath. Hear that crust? Oh God. Oh God. I don't think it's going. My idea was to get some footage today, but it might not happen as planned, and you guys will be watching mostly GoPro footage tonight. But I mean, you seem to enjoy that too, so that's all right. No. Did the Polaris just outclimb me? Jason said he put RMK rails, I believe, in the Chaos this year, so now it's a climbing machine. Smoke something? Uh-oh.
Game plan.
Almost made her out the other side.
We found you guys. I thought we lost you a little bit. Drive right over that turbo.
Jason and I left other guys for a bit, making our way kind of down through a valley, and then gonna try and get up into some alpine stuff. Didn't expect that hole. Wow, struggling. Shit. Oh man, I was having a good first half of the day here, and now I'm sucking in the last 10 minutes. Got a nice tree branch here. Starting to snow pretty good though. Hopefully it keeps up all night long. Tell you what, sure wish I worked out before this year. I usually always do a little bit. I mean, not much, but this year I didn't do a lick of nothing. All right, let's get up there before Jason comes back down. No. So I'm definitely gonna blame these stucks on the jerry can in the bag back here. Should have taken that off. Blame everything on Jerry. We got some parts message here. Went to adjust the track, and should be a block there.
Something's missing.
I mean, I'm no Polaris rider, but I think something's missing there.
You definitely are not a Polaris rider, and it shows.
Why? Because I don't work on my sled?
Yeah. Well, I mean, the adjuster's gonna hold it from coming more slack. Right?
It's fine.
It's not like we're in the middle of nowhere.
I mean, you don't really have a choice, so.
You don't want to 2-up on the Terpsky?
I can handle it. We know that.
Yeah, I'll have a little heavier neutral.
I'll just ditch the bag and the gas, and then we're the same. You're gonna sit in the front?
Yes.
So, are you the Freerider Films mechanic?
No. I only wrench if I have to. When you ride a Polaris or an Arctic Cat, you have to.
You're gonna say that on video? Jeez. Alright, the idea is we're making a straight beeline out of here, since Jason's missing his axle bolt there. I'm gonna have a lot of GoPro footage from today, because oh no, big hole. Get going. Don't catch that tree, please. Oh, baby. Oh, that's fun. Arms are getting tired, boys. Woo! Rally to the top. My arms are tired.
Holy fuck. We gotta go up there, eh?
Fuck. Is that throttle supposed to be wide open there right now for no reason?
Makes it hard to tree ride like that.
I smell something burning.
That would be my belt.
Well, fuel light's on. We did 69 kilometers. Pretty good day. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for day 6. Had some good fun out there, ripping the trees up with Jason. Didn't really get a chance to ride with the other guys much, but you guys should go give Jason a follow. He's a really good rider, probably a little bit better than me, I'd say. Also from Ontario. You know, there's some Ontario boys that rip. Anyway, what else? Let's have a look at my Apple Watch for a sec. we'll keep track of this every day to kind of see how many active calories I burn and how many minutes of exercise I get in a day. It'll be kind of interesting to see how it goes as I ride more days. I feel like the calories will actually go down as I ride more. Not because I'm not riding as hard, just because I ride more efficiently after so many days. But yeah, I'm in the place here by myself now for the next, I think 7 days or so. My dad and some of my buddies get here on the 7th. We'll be riding with them on the 8th. So pretty much till then, my schedule's open and I'll just be riding with pretty much whoever wants to ride. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.